Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how to make these keychains, and the first thing I'm going to do is insert my cut files. I purchased these from Etsy. I will leave a link down below for you to purchase them as well if you are interested in these exact ones. And the one that I'm making for the keychain is the number 5, so I'm just going to turn off the other ones so that they are not visible. Next, I'm going to be sure to save this file, and I'm just going to save it as keychain. Then I'm going to type out the name that I want to have on the keychain and select the font. And as you see in the video, I did go through a few fonts to find the right one for it. I didn't want a font that was going to be too thin, so I decided to go with the font Beloved Hearts, as you will see. And I downloaded this font from Creative Fabrica. I will also leave that website in the description bar so you can go and check it out. It has a lot of great items on that website. And I decided to make the vinyl colors white and pink. And now I'm going to go up to the top and click save and then make it. And once you are brought up to this screen, you want to be sure to not mirror the name, but to mirror your paintbrush stroke. And I'm doing this because the paintbrush stroke is going to be on one side of the keychain and the name is going to be on the other. You will also see that as I am going through the tutorial. Now that I have my files cut and weeded, I'm going to take some clear transfer tape and add them to both of the images. Now I am just removing the clear plastic on the keychain, the acrylic face, and then after this plastic has been removed, I'm going to add the pink SVG file. And after the pink has been added, I'm going to flip it over and add the name to the other side. And here's my keychain. Now I just have to add the keychain in, as you can see. And that is the end of this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you all in my next upload. Bye!